Hello friends and welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial we are going to see what are the premium or pro services Canva provides and what is the utility of promoting your free account to a pro account. So without any further ado, let's straight head over to our Canva home screen. I am right on my Canva home screen. The first thing which I am going to show you is resize option. To show that, let me go to create design option and I can take any post. Suppose I am taking Instagram post. Now if I am taking one template here and designing something, and then I want to use this design for my WhatsApp status, for my YouTube thumbnail, all these places. So I have one option here, you can see, which is resize option, which is having a crown at the left hand side. That means this is a pro feature. It is extremely handy feature according to me, because to save your time and in order to make your omnipresence in different social media constant, this feature is one of the best features which Canva provides for their premium users. You design once and you can basically take any ratio from here, and you don't really have to design 2 or 3 times for different places. This is one thing. And secondly, you can actually build a brand. In order to build a brand, you will have to stay persistent in your design for all social media platforms. So this is one handy option. You can actually customize the size as well. If suppose you are designing for your app or for your personal classes which you take, and you want to keep this design same, then you can actually resize it as per your need. And you copy and resize, it will make 4 instant copies for you. This is one of the best features what I find. Now let us go to the second point. The second point is the elements and the pro assets. Here you find the elements in element section. Whatever element you take, suppose if I am taking background, see there are so many crown and pro written assets, right? These are all premium assets. So whatever element you're looking for, there will be some premium assets, some free assets, right? 470k premium assets are available in 100 different types of designs. So you can jolly well understand, to gain a perfect element, it is very important to have one pro account, which will give you the liberty to explore these element section and get the best possible match for your design. So this was the second thing. Let us come to the third point, which is templates. There are many pro templates which are customized and designed for different purpose. Now you can filter this template as per your choice also. In color theme also you can change. And if you come to home screen, and if you go for a particular type of design, suppose you want to make a resume or biodata for you, for your job interview, you basically can get biodata for freshers, for doctors, and these under each segment you get many biodatas, which few would be free and few would be pro. So likewise, you go to any part, you go for any video, you will get many templates which are pro templates. Next, let us come to videos. If I talk about videos, there are many premium intro, outro videos. Whatever video you're looking for, you can get those premium templates here. Likewise, let us go to audio part. If I come to audio part, there will be many audios under each segment: pop, epic, piano. So there are many pro audios which are unique, and you can get those, you can avail those from pro account for free. Otherwise, you need to make some sort of $1 or something payment for availing these assets. Let us move forward and check what are the fonts available. If I am designing something and I need some text font, I take any font out here, and then I do the required modification, and then I have so many special fonts out here, right? This crown sign means these are all pro fonts. So you can basically avail those pro fonts if you are having a pro account. if you are having a brand and you need to again maintain a persistent design, in order to ensure that, you need to have a brand kit. So this brand kit option, you can see, this is also a pro feature. Let me show you what is this, what privilege does it give you. If I am taking my own example, suppose this is one brand which I hold. Here you can actually add the logo of the company, as many logos as you want you can add here, different ratios, you can add different fonts, you can even upload fonts from outside. This is a unique feature which Canva provides. You can add any color palette, so you can add more palettes from here. There are suggested palettes as well, which will be giving you compatible colors which you can basically use in combination in order to create a brand. So this brand kit makes your life super duper easy. Let's move up to content planner. This is basically another feature where you can plan. Suppose there is a certain day coming up and you are going to create different social media posts. Not only this, another thing which I'm going to show you, let me go to the home screen. Suppose I am taking any design. I have taken this design, right? Now I have designed a particular post. Now if I go to this share option, I can share it on social media platforms. Here is one option for scheduling. You can design at a go 10-15 templates together, and you can just simply schedule it right from the platform. You don't have to go for any other third-party platform in order to schedule it. Now let us move to the next feature, which is background remover. Suppose I have taken one picture of mine. Suppose I have taken this picture, okay, and I want to use this picture here, but there is a background with this picture. So if I go to edit image, this background remover option, this is also a pro option, which allows you to remove the background or any static background from any image. So if I simply click in this background remover option, it will seamlessly remove my background and my photo will be free to use for any design. See how seamlessly it has removed my background. Now I can keep this photo anywhere I want. The same applies for creating a logo. If you are taking a logo template, suppose if I give logo and I get many logo templates, if I take one here and I can change the background, I can remove the background and I can go for this logo as transparent logo. Now there is another option which I would like to mention here as we are discussing about background remover. Background is not only a photos background. Background can be from a logo itself. Suppose if I need to download this logo, then I will have to go to share option. If I go to download option, then you see there are couple of options which Canva provides for pro users only for free. One is transparent background. This is very important when you are designing a logo. Compress file, if you need to compress different files, PNG files there or any other file, if you want to compress and reduce the size, this is one option you can use for compressing the file size. Next is resizing. If you want to change the size from here, suppose you have designed something and you need to change the pixel from here, you can even do that, but that is also a pro feature. So these are few features which are pro. Another feature I'm going to tell you, which is SVG. This and unique file extension which allows your design to be as small as a logo size design, or even you can make it as large as a big banner or hoarding. So these were the features which are uniquely available for pro users. So if you like to upgrade your account to pro and if you want to try it for 30 days, I can give you my affiliate link in the description box, which will allow you to use Canva Pro for free for 30 days. There is another alternative from my side for you, my viewers. I have created another video where I have shown how by getting added into a team by leveraging team link, you can access all these features whatever I narrated for free. You don't have to make any payment, and that too for lifetime. Yes. So you can get that video in the description box, so definitely go and watch it. Only drawback of that is your account will not be in your name. Like you see, my account is in my name, but this name will be some other name, some fictitious name. But yes, that video is having, I have given the proof also that all these features will be available seamlessly. You can work. So that is pretty much it. If you liked this tutorial, if this tutorial was helpful for you, please do consider to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to go and press the subscription button below and press the bell notification. Along with it, I have one small announcement to do is that VAGPE Media is in application, Android application form now as well. You will get this application in Google Play Store. We have released our first course on Canva and graphic designing basics. So if you're looking for a comprehensive course and one spot destination where you can learn everything from graphic designing to digital marketing and anything in between, then definitely you should be having this app downloaded in your mobile. So definitely go and explore that. The link you will be getting in description. Having said that, thank you so very much. This is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.